Now today's date of October 2021. We have Mariankatu, 10 staircase A here in Kone, Helsinki, Finland. We have also been to the staircase B before. I've published it before. It's another ASEA elevator. This is a very beautiful one. Built in 1935, Mariankatu in 1982 by Kone with MD8 pictures. Its number is 56813. And of course you can watch the staircase B here as well. No mention sign, but still good. Still deserves two rights, of course.
Yeah.
We'll be inspecting it the next year, 2022. Turned 85 years old in the last year, 2020, and the motorcycle will be 40 years old next year. Yes. And as we saw actually on the surnames, 11 out of 20 are Swedish-speaking Finns here, or maybe one is some are also bilingual. But a lot of them are in this building.
Yeah.
Because in Kronhagen the percentage is like 12% also.
Yeah.
It sounds like somebody's practicing the violin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely find, but the best today definitely was the Luton Roses from 1914.
Yeah.
It was also upgraded with MP8, but Kalbatos only.
Yeah.
But this was that was definitely the best one. And
Yeah.
this is one of the best ones also. We're gonna do a second silent ride.
Yeah. Inspected by its sapient, maintained by its von his.
And of course the buttons were originally here. You can see they covered this.
Yeah.
Also just had a metal plate before.
Yeah. That's